Hi friends, how are you all? Hi, I'm Anju, and I came this beautiful park, and it's close to Buckboard, Houston, Texas, and I'm enjoying. Weather is so cold, and it's very nice to come here to see this park. I came to help my friend and support her. Today is her video shooting for her song for land season, and I'm very happy that I got the opportunity to come and support my friend. And let's go surrounding this park. I show you this park little bit, and I love the nature here. It's look very nice and it's very beautiful. See that butterfly is so nice behind me, and I think here see me how how I look today. I didn't need that much makeup, and see that butterfly is so beautiful. I feel like surrounding there will be a lot of butterflies, but let's see. Weather is very cold, and I put a very open dress, and it's feeling me so cold. But weather let's see it how it comes. Oh my god, see that? That's a beautiful um, caterpillar. My friends are taking shoot there, and I will little. Oh my god, start raining, and I'm sitting on the caterpillar. Can you see me? How I'm sitting on a caterpillar. It's really nice fun, and I will show you more. Uh, the weather is getting more cold. It's raining. Hi friends. See friends, this game when we were small we was playing this game. Today I will try, and mostly we should play this game. Oh my god, I love this game. And when we was very small that time, there was no like this blocks, but we should take a stick and make a blocks and play. Let's go, let's play this game and see if I can. One, two. Oh my god, I'm trying my best. It was wonderful fun, and really I like it, love it. And I think my friends enjoy with me. And this game, ये भी गेम हम ट्राई करेंगे. एंड उतना नहीं जानती गेम के बारे में, बट आई नो विद वन लेग यू वांट टू रन. ओके, लेट्स गो. Was trying to fall down. Oh my god, it's amazing. Really, I love it. Oh, I want to go on this caterpillar. I will try if I can. And yeah, let's go on this caterpillar if I can. Let's try. And I am going to this caterpillar. If I can walk, let's see. Oh, I'm so tired. I run on this caterpillar, but I didn't show you all because I fell one time. So it was beautiful, really beautiful, staying in this park and showing activities to my friends. And also now I'm going to help my friend. She's calling me, and I will be showing you more, and we will talk more about, you know. And it's very love. I really remember my past. This is, we already finished the recording just now, some of it, and then we are going other place to take. This is my friend. I came to support her for her song. They both sing. This is our cameraman. Camera action, go. He's the one taking all the phones and the speakers and everything. He's supporting his friend too. And there is a birthday going on. There is a going photo shoot, and I just asked him how old his daughter, and they are just on one. It's really beautiful, really beautiful. Oh my god, is it 1 years old? It's very nice. They are taking pictures, and I took a good moment here. I really love it. And please, my friend, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you very